recording.
It's recording.
So climb in. I don't need to be in it.
Here. I don't even know how to shut the door. I don't know. I feel weird in this thing. What are you doing?
Start a pedal. Alright. So to start it, we've got our mixture set, we've got a choke, we've got a button under my heel.
Stop. I can't hold this because this thing's in the way.
Nag.
Take two.
Okay. Switch on, spark up, gas down, choke. Pedal right down there. Oh. Okay. So now the handbrake is on.
Right.
I want to take that off a little bit so that the brake's off. And then there's your forward, low. And then this is your gas pedal.
What?
So when we get going down the road, still cold. That's an accessory piece. So what I'm going to do when we're going down the road is I'm going to throw this lever forward after I'm going forward. And then I'm going to use the pedal to hold neutral, like that. So now I've got low, but if I let off, I've got high. Without that lever forward.
What? So that lever is more like a brake and neutral.
It's neutral here,
Yeah.
high gear there,
High gear,
and then brake there.
brake all the way towards you. Okay. And that middle, that left pedal,
That's your forward.
what's the middle pedal?
There's your brake on the right,
Brake on the right.
and then the middle one, backwards.
That's just weird. And that's your gas. Alright, this is weird.
So I push that pedal down to go forward.
Forward. Oh, so it's just, you don't have to keep your foot on it.
Yes, I do.
Oh, you do.
This is really starting to sound tired. We might be going home and leaving. Now I'm going to throw the lever forward,
Forward.
accelerate. I'm going to close the throttle.
What?
Let my foot off the pedal.
Okay. Foot off the pedal.
And we're going.
It seems a bit rocky. Beautiful farm.
Accessory steering wheel with a horn.
Alright, so you just kick the gas pedal,
I'm closing the throttle.
closing the
I'm letting off the gas.
letting off the gas,
I'm putting it in neutral.
and neutral. Which one's neutral again?
Halfway.
Halfway.
My foot's halfway.
Okay.
And now I'm going to go to low. My foot's all the way down. Get a little gas. Give a lot of gas.
It's a bit shaky.
Yes, it is. Nice day for November, isn't it?
So is your hand staying on the gas? No. And there's nothing on the pedals until you want to do
Feel I want to do
an
something.
action.
Now I'm going to pull that back halfway so I can let my foot off.
Halfway, let off.
And we put into the garage.
Brake all the way back. Throttle up. What's that button? Oh, off.
Normally we'd use the lever over here too, but this one's got a distributor on it, and I made it so that you don't need it.
All right, what would it normally be?
Normally it would be up to start, and then down here to run slow, and down there to run fast, and up here to climb hills. And
That's an awful lot to remember. So that's like your shifter?
no, it's a spark advance.
Oh, I don't understand. All right, what was this thing again?
This was the mixture on the carburetor, so you'd open it a little bit to 10.
Yep.
Is where I have it set to start, and then when it's really warm, you move it over to 2, and then that's the choke. It pulls out,
That's when it's cold.
and that's a light.
Oh, that is so adorable.
There's a light over here too, but I don't want to bump it because it was touchy. Last time it was here, it was touchy.
All right, and this is...
It's key and your headlight switch.
Oh, that's to your headlights?
That's the headlight, high and low beam.
Okay, can't see that.
Can't see them. I'll do it in the
All right,
dark.
and what's this little doohickey over here?
This?
No.
That's a clock.
Oh, okay.
You turn the rim to wind it,
All right,
and then this is the switch I put for that spotlight.
spotlight.
Apparently doesn't work anymore. It did when it left here.
Oh, there's another. No, that horn's not working. Oh, it's working.
This one works. This one doesn't seem.
How many?
Oh, it's just really soft.
Okay, how many horns? Okay, how many horns? How many horns do you need?
3.
What was that one again? All right.
I guess we gotta get to work.
And those are your rear view mirrors?
I guess there's nothing left to do but to get to work. I should
And
probably
is that
make
your
this-
windshield wiper?
That is windshield wiper.
Are you kidding me? You have to automatically do it?
Yep. By hand. I gotta get a new one for our
There's
car.
only one?
You don't need to see.
Okay. All right, thanks for the lesson. I hope that I don't have to drive.